This jelly gun, it also has laser light. It is for 400 rupees. This is a bubble gun. It is chargeable. The price is 330 rupees. 300 rupees. Sorry, 300 rupees. This is the latest gear Gatling gun. It also has revolving sniper look, and it has lights and music and vibration. This one will cost you 300 rupees. Okay, next, what next? We are selling Nerf guns. This Nerf gun is for 120 rupees, and we have another model in this. This Nerf gun is 130 rupees. Remote control dinosaurs with smoke and light also available. The price is 700 rupees. This train set is for 275 rupees. Okay. These light magnetic blocks are for 650 rupees.